Today we open up the Sinnoh Stars Mini Tin. I hiked up a mountain and opened it up on top of a beautiful peak. Can I finally pull anything from Fusion Strike or Battle Styles? Let's find out! Isn't that a beautiful view? Now, I am pretty close to the first summit of today. You can already see the cross up there. And we just have a tiny bit of climbing left to do. You've seen I've already done a little bit, and I would say let's get up there. Okay, here we are on our first peak. So let's open up the mini tin right here, and we'll open up the packs on the second peak. Now, the first peak we're on is called the Kleiner Treiten, and our destination for today is the Großer Treiten. Now, what do we have in here? So first up, there's the Pikachu Coin, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to open up this product. Come on, focus please. Can you please focus? Yeah, thank you. But the real reason I wanted to open up this mini tin is actually the packs included. Here we have the art card. There's Fusion Strike and Battle Styles in here, and I have never gotten a hit from any of those, so I wanted to change that and see if we can do that today. So let's get going again. And with every step we take, the panorama is just getting better and better. Now we're almost there. A little bit of climbing left to do. Now you cannot see the cross from here, but we are almost up the peak. So let's take the last few steps here. Oh wow, now that's quite some view, isn't it? So let's get into battle styles first. Now if you remember, a few weeks back I uploaded a video where I started a small little series opening up Evolving Skies until I pull anything good. Well, turns out Evolving Skies is sold out and I had to resolve to something else. So I decided to go for this Mini Tin, which has 2 sets where I haven't got a single hit yet as well. Well, we have a water energy. And yeah, oh, that's a angry Morpeko here. So let's see if we can finally end the streak for at least one of these sets. Now I will say both of these sets are not my favorite sets, but still, one hit would be nice, wouldn't it? So maybe we can end the dry streak today. That's a silly cobra. Now I will still try to get my hands on more Evolving Skies pack. I think there is a reprint coming. Mostly because I love the cards that are available in Evolving Skies. I mean, probably everybody does love Evolving Skies. And yeah, I still want to get a good pull from that set. But that being said, until we go there, we will open up some other things. And do we get anything? Well, would you look at that? That's a cricket tune. That, I would say, is a hit. Now, obviously, I brought a sleeve up the mountain. Don't forget, protection is important. And let's see if we can repeat that with the other pack. Now, for that, we turn the camera a little bit, so we have a little bit of a different view here in the background. I mean, I could turn the camera either way. It would be an amazing background here. Yeah. Now, I have been asked, why do I carry Pokemon cards up mountains? And there is this general trend of decelerating our lives, and I just feel this is a nice way of doing things. Not just buying, opening, but bringing it to places where you really enjoy opening them and you create memories. And I just love doing that. Now let's see if we can repeat the hit from the previous pack in here too. Wait, that's upside down. What happened here? This, I already saw that when opening up the pack that something was wrong here. I think the energy card was the other way around. Now that Morpeko is looking a lot nicer than the other one. It's having a lot more fun here. So let's see if the turned cards are a good sign. Wait, something's wrong here again. I just saw that. Yeah, the next card is upside down again. That's the reverse holo. And for the rare, do we get anything good? Well, it's a Blissey. Now, that's it for the episode. We were actually able to end one of the dry streaks, so that is good. And we can enjoy a beautiful view here in the background. Now, initially I was actually planning on going alongside this ridge here and ending the hike over there, but it's already late, so I'm gonna end it here. Now, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing. That would help me out immensely. Also leave a like, and I would say see you all in the next episode. Bye!